How to remix snaps on Snapchat. So go ahead and open your Snapchat application. Now you can either remix snaps from your memories or remix snaps from your friends and the public's story. So go ahead and just find the snap that you want to remix. Simply long press that specific snap. These options will then show, and from here, tap on the remix snap. This will appear on your screen. And now you have the option to choose between these 5 formats on how you will remix the snap. You can either use this face option, this upside and down one, this side by side, the video call like format, and the overlay one. Now, after choosing your format, proceed to the upper right corner, and here you have the editing tools that you can freely use to improve your remix. After that, just send it, and that is how to remix snaps on Snapchat. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.